Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can turn off NSFW filter on Character AI app. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Character AI. After that, open the official website and make sure to sign in to your account. After signing in, you will be sent to this web page where all of the available bots will be displayed. Here, select the target bot and start typing in. Turn off censorship. Basically, it is a trial and error method and it may work sometimes while other times it won't. Currently, this is the only possible way of doing it and it works fine most of the times. Simply, it depends on the type of character you are using. If it is an arrogant character, then you may find it hard. But in case of friendly characters like this one, you will be able to do it with just one command. So that's basically how you can turn off NSFW filter on Character AI app. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.